Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing mini fan that I bought from Avion. And it was on sale, cost for only 1,000 yen. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated. Thank you! This is a very convenient mini fan that you can carry it anywhere you go, especially during summer season or hot season. We have here a strap, a charger cord, and this is the fan with its stand. And this stand, you can use it also for charging. It was connected to the body of fan this way. And this is the socket for charger. This is where we are going to put the strap. Just follow this now this is off. If you are going to use this, you need to turn on the switch by long press. You need to long press the switch, and then now it is on. This is speed 1. Then the speed 2. Next was speed 3. Use also without the stand. This is just the stand, and at the same time we can charge using by this stand. And when the lights are blinking, it means this is going to be low bat, so you need to charge this. Give a review on this handy fan. This handy fan have its stand. You can use this without using the stand, and then with using the stand. Of course, when there is a stand, you can put it on table and use it. But if you want to bring it anywhere, you can hold it just like this. Let us see the speed of this fan. On this button, this is the switch of this button. All you need to do is to long press then this to turn it on. Now this is the speed 1. Let's see. And then another press for speed 2. The last one was speed 3. On speed 3, you can put it far from you. This is nice because this is portable and you can bring it anywhere. Especially during summer season, we need to have a fan, portable fan, going anywhere to be cool, to cool yourself. This is nice. When the lights blinking just like this, it means that this fan is already low bat, so you need to charge this one. I hope you got an idea on my review on this electric fan. This brand is Elecom. Here in Japan, I bought this at Avion. It was an electronic department store, electronic store. You can buy any electronic or appliances there. So maybe in the other country there's also online. You can buy also this online. So all you need to do is to search for this handy fan, Elecom handy fan. This is the brand of this one, and I bought only 1,000 yen because now is the autumn season, so summer things are they mark down the price of whatever summer things here. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated.